So let's finish to call this component. The second part is related specifically to the card provider. So here we are taking the props, and we need a state, the card state, and for this purpose we need to use a reducer, and the reducer um, will be composed by a card reducer object and also a default card state. Okay, then we need to add different handlers in order to use with our um, previous method code. So let's use the first one. In case we are adding a new product, we need to pass the item as a props, and we need to do the same with the remove process from an item. Here we need an ID. All right, and then we need to use another type of card actions, and this time the name will be remove and this prop and the ID prop. And finally we need to clear the card handler, and in this time we just need to use a card action with the name of clear. Right. Finally, let's manage the card context, and for that purpose we have to use card state, items, the total amount, Of course, if we need to add an item, a new item, we will call the add item to card handler, and the remove item action will be related to remove item from card handler. And finally, a clear card object related to clear card handler. All right, so once we have the entire object assembled, let's return it, and this time it will be card context dot provider, and the value will be our card context object. Okay, very good. And inside, we need to manage props children. Right, so the final step is to export the default object, and in this case is card provider. All right, that's it. So let's check our lastly. All right, git commit, and this will be working on store components part 2. All right, so in the next video we will update some components, specifically those that belongs to the meals, and maybe we have to take a look to the layouts, and as a final part we will ready to work on our backend, which in this case will be Firebase. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.